area between two curves. وعندي هذه المسألة راح نحلها الآن. Let R be the region bounded by the graphs of y equals 32 minus x squared, y equals x squared. A, sketch the region R, و B, find the area of the region R. طبعا يا أحبتي أنا في الفيديو السابق شرحت إنه في عندي هدول التبس نصائح how to solve this sort of problems. طبعا رح نبدأ في A لو how to sketch this region. Find the points of intersection between the two curves. راح اسمي هذا y1 وهذا y2. طبعا راح نكتب انه in order to do so let انه y1 equals y2. اذا مهمتنا الاولى هي to find the points of intersection between this and this. هذول two graphs إذا في بينهم points of intersections راح يبينوا أكيد. few seconds I will be with you students. Okay. Okay. Right. Find the points of intersection. Well, in order to do so, I told you one more time, and we have to assume that y1 equals y2 or f1 equals f2, whatever we have. Right. y1 وهي 32 minus x squared equals x squared. In order to solve this, students, I prefer to shift x squared here. طبعا ممكن يجي حد ثاني يقول انه why we don't shift this x squared to other side. طبعا بصير، لكن هذا لا ينجح بكل الquadratic functions. That's why انا راح اعطيك طريقة functioning always. ما في حال ما بتنجح فيها، لانه يعني بهذا الحالة it's okay you can shift x squared here divide by 2 square root it seems easier. لكن هذه الطريقة لا تنجح دائما. دائما أنصح إذا كان عندك x squared quadratic دائما اعملها equal 0. much better than anything else. فراح يصير عندي هون 32 minus x squared minus x squared equals 0 as you observe. والآن students I can like combine this and this, and if you combine them it will be 32 minus 2x squared equals 0. بإمكانك تحل هاي بالكالكوليتر or mentally or by factorization the way you like. x will be 4 minus 4 and 4 or 4 and minus 4. بس خلينا نشوف. كل يعني انا اعرف انه الطلاب حتى ابرع مني في استخدام هذه الكالكوليتر. مود 5 3 فانكشن مشهور. A اللي هي x squared coefficient minus 2. B we don't have x so it is 0. و C the constant term 32, and you can observe x1 4 x2 minus 4 or minus 4 and 4 order not affect. So I need this and this, keep them here. Okay. Now students, I will sketch y1 and y2 in the xy plane. This is x, this is y. I will start with the easiest one ever. and the easiest one هو x squared لأنه parent function. وأنا نصحت من الفيديو السابق إنه try to remember this graph x squared and this is y1. اوكي y2 راح ياخذ مننا شويه خطوات اضافيه. اذا انت تتذكر x سكويرد الامور بتكون شوي اسهل. خليني اجي هون على ورقه خارجيه، راح اكتب عندي هون 32 minus x squared. راح ابدا ب x squared itself. So this is, as you observe students, x squared and we have to memorize this. خليني اعمل هذا الجزء، اعمل له highlight، رسمناه و everything very fine. Then students, as you see here, x squared multiplied by negative, and we never multiply any function by negative, it will be reflect about the x-axis. So بيسموه mirror reflection. طبعا this one minus x squared, so we start with x squared, then we multiply by this negative. So now I am here, I have minus x squared. Then 32 students, this is plus 32, which means or positive 32, sorry, which means I add 32 to this function, and 32 is positive, as you see. And when we add positive number to a function, its graph will shift by this amount up. يعني ما أريد قوله إنه this is 0, I will shift the whole function 32 units up. So it will be 1, 2, 3, blah, 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 till 32. Why? Because this is 0, so it will be like this. And this is finally 32 minus x squared. هذا اللي ما نسميه بtransformation or new function by old function. سميها ما شئت. لكن this is the graph. Okay, so I will copyright this here. طبعا يعني reality واحنا نرسم we don't care actually. يعني 32 هون or هون, it's up to you. ما بيأثر. So I will make it like this. I might use another color. Red maybe. Okay. So this is y2 here, sorry, and this is y1 equals 32 minus x squared, and the enclosed region between them is here. So this is R. This is the region R. Part 1 done, of course. This is the region R, and we do know in advance, إذا بتلاحظ إنه there's 2 points of intersection. This is the first one, this is the second one, and this one occurs when x equals minus 4, and this one occurs when x equals 4. طبعا احنا راح نوجد الاريا بشيء بنسميه vertical strips. هلا vertical strips means إنه my integration will be dx. اوكي، سو انتهينا من الجزء الاول، وخلينا نروح على بارت 2 من هذه المسألة or B. اوكي B، خلينا نشوف مجمل الاشياء اللي كتبناها هون عملناها. حكينا انه find the points of intersection و this is done، وبعدين sketch the curve on the xy plane and this is done as you see. بقي علينا يا أصدقاء to write the integration, and we need proper one to represent our area. So A, which means area, equals, I need this region or the highlighted region here or the closed region between these two graphs started from -4 on the x-axis till 4. So what I have here, I have minus 4 and I have 4 here. And I need like something minus something, function minus function. So we have to start with the upper limit of this region, or the function on the top. And as you observe, students, the function on the top is 32 minus x squared. So I will start with this 32 minus x squared, then minus, and as I told you before, this minus fixed, minus the function on the bottom اللي جاي من تحت. And as you observe, the lower bound of this region, the black one, x squared. So x squared dx. And now, students, we are capable to combine this with this. قبل ما نعمل integration طبعا بصير نعمل integration بدون ما نعمل combining, but if you combine them it will be better. You will change them to one term instead of dealing with two terms. So I will start from here. It's from minus 4 to 4. Then I have, as you see, 32 minus x squared minus 2 x squared dx. Then we will integrate directly. It's 32, it will be 32x minus 2 times x cube, and here 1 over 3. في هنا مداخلة بسيطة. أنا بذكر students كثير جدا من الزملاء when they integrate this to x squared, they write it like, or they wrote it like x to the power of 3 over 3. I don't like this. This is true, fine, rational, whatever you like. This is marvelous, but I don't like it. I like to write the integration that way. لحاجة في نفسي يعني. طيب هنا يا students we have from minus 4 to 4. My next step, I will multiply 2 or minus 2 with 1/3. It will be like this. 32x minus 2 over 3 x cubed, from minus 4 till 4. Now it's the time for substitution. Plug in, replace, سميها ما شئت. I will plug in 4 minus, I will plug in minus 4. So it will be 32 times 4 minus 2/3, then 4 to the power of 3 minus, now I am done with 4, it's minus 4 term. I will replace each x by minus 4. طبعا لازم نرجع لدرس fundamental theorem of calculus نتأكد انه احنا كثير مناح فيه. عندي 32 times minus 4 minus 2 over 3, then I have here minus 4 to the 3, and I can close this bracket. Then I think we can use this calculator to finalize everything. And here, students, I have brackets, then 32 times 4 minus fraction, we have 2 over 3, then 4 to the power of 3, close this bracket, minus 32 times minus 4, then minus 2 over 3, then I have minus 4 to the power of 3, then close this, and the result is 512 over 3. So it is 512 over 3, of course, square unit, maybe centimeters, kilo, who cares, finish. This one done, students. بعد ذلك اسمحوا لي يا أحبتي أن أعرض عليكم المسألة التي ستلي هذه. ستكون قليلا مختلفة. سنتعامل مع x، أيضا راح نتعامل مع x سكويرد. ابقى معنا وتابع الحل وشكرا.